HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hey kids, let's draw some yummy popsicles. Let's draw a rectangle with curvy sides. And the ice cream stick. Join all the curvy lines just like this. Now a watermelon popsicle, a triangle, and then the stick. Add the seeds too. Easy, wasn't it? For the next one, draw the yummy popsicle and the stick. Let's add some stripes. And done! It's time to paint. First green. Add some pink. Let's use golden too. Paint the stick as well. Wow! On to the next one. Green and red for the yummy watermelon popsicle. Let's paint the seeds. Of course, don't forget the stick. For the last one, let's use some pretty purple. And sky blue too. Golden. And pink. And last, some green. Don't forget the stick again. Wasn't it so much fun drawing yummy glitter popsicles?